That's the real Jesus. Okay, this guy right here, give me this stuff, man. Give me this stuff right here. That's the devil right there. That's why we call him, that's the fake
You know what?
Jesus.
Jesus may not have even looked like that. Unfortunately,
No, but he
the
looked like
churches
this. But he
have...
damn sure looked like this.
Right.
But he looked like this.
Here.
All right?
Right.
Man, read on, brother. Read
That's a
that.
little scary.
All right, listen.
Why is it so scary? Are you people scared? Why is she scared?
Yeah. Because it don't
Maybe
look
because
like
she's white?
It's a kind of
Maybe
gentleman.
because they taught her. Do you know that you're going into slavery as well?
Excuse me?
That the Bible speaks about slavery?
Yes, it does.
Do you know that you white people are going into slavery?
See,
According
that's,
to
you
the
know,
Bible?
you really need to be careful.
I need to be careful. I gotta keep being
No,
be
no,
careful.
that's incorrect.
That's incorrect.
And I think if you
Wait a
really,
minute, did the white man, how did the black man get to this country of America?
Right.
unfortunately, by us.
By who, white people, right?
Yes.
And by what way? Slavery?
So, slavery,
Thank you.
correct.
Okay, give me Revelation
I got it.
13, 9, and 10.
Revelation
Give me
13.
Exodus
There's
21
no
and 16.
doubt
Revelation
in my-
13
why are
and
you
9 and
reading
10.
scripture to me?
If
Well,
any-
because you want to learn this.
Because you don't know the Bible.
Teaching you
Yes, I
something.
do.
I'm trying to help you. You done wasted $80,000, so I'm trying to give you a crash course on the Bible.
Right.
You should sue that college, get that $80,000, and give it to us.
Right.
Because what I taught you in the last 10, 15 minutes is more than what you learned. Well, you didn't learn a goddamn thing
you don't
in
know-
that
you
damn
don't know
college.
nothing.
Oh, and cursing is part of Christianity as well?
Goddamn means God meaning God, and them means condemn.
Condemned. Right.
And how the word condemn? Damn means condemn.
That's right.
And you're being condemned. Go ahead.
Revelation 13,
All right,
9
you
and
know what?
10.
I actually need
If
to go.
any man have an
I know
ear,
you need to go. I know you need to go.
she's already gone.
All right,
If,
go ahead.
if any man have an ear, let him hear.
This applies to women too. Go ahead.
He that leadeth into captivity.
And you said it out of your crack of mouth.
Right.
Damn. That's a life size picture. You can't get around that.
Yeah.
If you brought a nation into captivity, it's a fact that the so-called white man brought the black man into captivity. What's going to happen? Go ahead.
He that leadeth into captivity
Go ahead.
shall go into captivity.
It's called payback.
You're taking
So let me
that
ask you
in
a
the
question.
context of, you really need to study the Bible within the context.
Okay, what context is it talking
yeah.
about? What is it talking about? If
That's
it's
what
not
the word
talking about,
context means.
yeah, what does the word
What
context
context
mean?
means.
You know,
You use
you're
the
really
word- no,
being
what- what is the
What
word-
is context?
Can I just
The word
finish
you
here?
don't know. The
Can
word
I-
context, a context,
With-
con meaning with, and text meaning text.
Texture.
We're reading out of the text.
Yeah, but you're applying it to white folks today, and that.
No, I didn't know. Did it say white man? Hold on,
Right.
read it again. Let's see if you got
But you
white
said
man.
that
Revelation.
Where does it say? Where
White
does it
man.
say that the white man's going to slavery?
Right.
Let's read that.
Revelation 13, 9 and 10. If any man have an ear, let him
Go
hear.
ahead.
He that leadeth into captivity.
The white man. That is a fact that the white man led the black man into captivity. She said it herself. Go ahead.
Right. He that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity.
Hey, mate,
That's
how many
payback.
pictures are there in the Bible?
How many what?
Pictures.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, how many pictures? You know, when you read the Bible and there are like little pictures in the Bible.
Oh, you talking about a picture Bible?
No,
I'm
how
talking
many pictures
about the
are in the
Bible.
Holy Bible?
How many pictures?
You
Yeah.
seem to have a lot of pictures up
No,
here.
I'm only asking because the only reason that the Christ is
Oh no, we're just
depicted
giving
as
you an
white
illustration.
is because it's in pictures
No,
that
we're
have been drawn by
giving you,
artists, right?
we're giving you an illustration. That's all we're
But
doing.
you're arguing whether Jesus is black or white or Jewish or
No. No, I'm asking you. Do you believe in God?
No, not really.
Okay, well then that's we'll wait till after. Why are you even here, man? Why don't you go to the theater?
don't you
Oh,
wait
you
till
can't go to the
after?
theater.
Because you're here discussing things. What?
Oh no,
So,
I don't want to discuss
I thought-
something with you. I don't want to discuss.
I thought evangelism-
We're racist.
I
You
thought
calling me a
evangelism-
racist?
Yeah, because if you're
You
backing
calling
someone
me a
out because they
racist?
don't believe what you believe.
You calling me a racist? You,
being very
the white man, the
argumentative.
devil himself, is
Right.
calling me a racist? Are you out of your damn mind? You're the masses of
You are
racists,
such a
man.
great testimony
All
of
right?
Jesus Christ.
You don't even know
Wonderful.
Jesus, all right?
Right.
Don't you
Hey,
know Jesus called
all
you
I
white
was
woman,
saying,
white woman,
all
a
I
dog?
was saying, my friend, if you let me have my
Don't you
point.
know that? Don't you
You're
know that?
all
interpreting
it
that
says in the
incorrectly.
Bible.
And
No,
maybe that
no,
did
no,
do
no,
that in the culture.
You know what? You white people, your time is up, all right? You ain't gonna interpret nothing.
Why don't
You
you
ain't
get
gonna
off the
explain.
street?
Huh? What? Excuse me?
Why don't you get off the street
Because
then?
this is our street, all
Then
right?
don't argue
This is our
with
corner.
the
This is
crowd.
even the cops
Why
know
don't you
that
go
this is
back
our
to the
corner.
caves?
This is our planet. The cops don't even mess with us around here.
Caucasoid.
All right? You're the devil, and the truth is being brought out against your ass. Okay? You so-called white people are the devil, and you're going into slavery.
Wait a second. You know what? I just want to finish this thing. I hope that I see you in heaven, and though we may differ
Well, guess what?
theologically,
Your dreams are gonna come true. But I'm gonna have that whip.
Right.
That whip is gonna be swinging around, boy. All right? Okay? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Exodus 21:16. And he that stealeth a man and selleth him, or if he be found in his hand, he shall surely be put to death.
So the white man enslaved the black man.
Right.
So according to the Bible, you're gonna be put to death.
But tell me this, right? Egyptians, did they not actually
Yeah,
slave
they're going into
the
slavery
Jews?
too.
Yeah.
They're slave riders as
They're
well.
going into slavery.
Okay, do tell me this.
I got
Okay,
the
back in the
scripture, I got
day
the
when the Jews had, when the Egyptians had Jews as slaves, what color were the Egyptians?
They were black.
No, they were actually white Africans.
What?
They were.
Hey, you know what, man? Hold on, wait a minute. Put the camera on him. Put the camera on him. Hey, you know what? Are you a tourist in this country visiting?
Yeah.
Okay, you're on holiday.
Well, no, not really.
Okay,
but-
good. But you know what? Have you checked out any of the great museums in New York?
We've been to one or two, yeah.
Okay, name the two that you've been to.
The Museum of Metropolitan Art, I think.
Okay, well, you know what? When you go in there, there's some steps, right? You go up in there, okay? When you go up in there, before you go in there, when you pay your money, you make a right turn.
Yeah.
That's called the Egyptian section of the museum.
Yeah.
Did you go to that part? Did you go to that section?
I've-
Did you see
I've
the
been quite
Egyptians on the
few of them.
walls?
Sorry?
Did you see the Egyptians, the pictures of the Egyptians on the walls?
But what has that
They were
got to do
all
with anything?
tall and they were all black. Okay?
So hang on. You're basing it on pictures.
He asked pictures of the
Well,
Bible.
you asked
right?
for pictures earlier.
He said there
No.
was.
No. You're arguing because I
You
said
asked for pictures in the Bible, right?
Egyptians.
That's what you asked for. Come on, man, stop running your mouth, man. You're done already. You're done. He asked for pictures in the Bible. When you read in the book of Exodus, the 2nd chapter, when it speaks about Moses watching an Egyptian beating on a Hebrew, this is an icon back in Egypt of Moses, who was dressed as an Egyptian because he passed for an Egyptian, a black man, watching an Egyptian beat on an Hebrew, an Israelite, another black person. Because the Egyptians, a dark nation, enslaved the Israelites, another dark nation.
Is that white? Is that white?
Where do you see white at? Just be quiet, man.
I'm
Just be quiet. You're asking me a question. He said, is that white?
Are they white? Okay, what color are
This is
they?
supposed to be Moses here.
What color are they? They're brown, right? So this guy said the Egyptians are white.
Right.
But see, you know what?
Another lie.
That's,
Don't take
you just said.
I said the Egyptians were white
And this is
Africans.
archaeology.
No, they
right
were
here,
not
boy.
white Africans. There's no such thing as that's an oxymoron. Do you know where the Africans? Do you know where the Africans derive from?
A man
Where do they
who
originate from?
a people from
No.
Africa.
Where did the original Egyptians originate from? Where does their line go back to?
Right.
Where do Egyptians come from?
Yes.
From the river banks of the Nile.
No. What people do they come out of?
So I don't understand what you mean.
Okay. Do you know about Noah? You heard about Noah? Noah had how many sons?
Oh, he had quite a few.
3 sons. 3. Noah. I'm not talking about Jacob. You got it. All right. Noah had 3 sons.
Yeah.
Right? Ham, Shem, and Japheth.
Yeah.
Out of them 3, somebody give me Genesis, the 10th chapter. Out of them 3 men, the whole earth was populated.
Repopulated, right. Right.
Which one of those sons did the Egyptians come out of?
Right.
I don't know. Which one did they come from?
They come out of Ham.
Okay.
Okay, now Ham, as well as Noah, as well as Japheth, as well as Shem, were all black men.
Okay.
Bring up Ham.
Well, how'd you know that? How'd you know that?
Because it's in
we
the
got
Bible.
we got the document right here. Read Ham.
Ham,
Read Ham.
the youngest son of Noah.
First, show him the book. Show him the book. See, unlike you, we do research. We check things out before we open our mouth. Unlike you. All right, read.
Ham, the youngest son of Noah.
By the way, England don't belong to you either. You
don't even know what the word
You don't even know
England
what does the word England mean.
Sorry, Engels. Engels.
No.
What does it mean?
Try again.
England.
England.
Land of the Engels, which actually come from Eastern
Land
Europe
of the
somewhere.
angels.
Word Engel mean?
No, not angels. It's not angels.
No, the word